Did you know that all of us started from a single tiny cell? It's hard to imagine, but you, me, everyone, we all came from just one cell. This is the story of how life begins, a wonderful journey from a tiny spark into a human being. Fertilization. The moment it all starts. It all starts when the sperm and the egg meet. The sperm carries the father's DNA, and the egg carries the mother's. When they come together, their two sets of DNA combine, forming a new, unique person, a single cell called a zygote. This tiny cell contains all the instructions for developing into a baby. The color of your eyes, your hair, your height. It's all coded in your DNA. From zygote to blastocyst, division and implantation. After fertilization, the zygote starts dividing. One cell becomes 2, then 4, then 8, and soon a ball of many cells. This ball is called a blastocyst. About 5 to 6 days after fertilization, the blastocyst implants itself into the wall of the uterus, a cozy place where it can grow and develop safely. Transformation. Embryo begins to develop. Once it implants, the blastocyst starts a dramatic transformation. It evolves into an embryo, and then, bit by bit, the body starts to form: the heart, the brain, the arms and legs. The tiny heart starts beating at about 6 weeks of pregnancy. The nervous system develops, the face starts to take shape, and all the main organs slowly form. Conclusion: the miracle of life. This is the incredible journey from a single cell to a human baby, a process filled with magic, precision, and power. Every person alive today walked this path, from a tiny spark of life to a unique human being. The story of life is a story we all share. So this is the incredible journey, from a single cell to a unique human life. Every person starts this way, yet we all become completely different and special. If you liked this video and want to learn more amazing facts about life, science, and the human body, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more.